we're going to be asking a question about the college application. So Talia, what is the most important part of the college application?
I don't know what's on the application.
You don't know what's on the application?
No.
That's a perfect example of why this course is important. There's a lot of aspects that the college is looking for in the application, and there's a lot of points that you need to touch on for the college application, such as the essays, your brag sheet. These are things we're going to be going over within this section.
What do you think are the top 3 things that are important in the college admissions process?
Grades and test scores. That's kind of one thing.
Mm-hmm.
The way you act around others.
Okay.
And probably respect.
Okay. So we got grades, the way you act around others, and respect, right? You're wrong. Just kidding.
In this section, we're going to be talking about the college application. Bar none, this is the part of the application or part of the process that everybody thinks about when they think about going to college. In this section, we're going to dissect the college application, and you're going to learn about everything that you need to know in order to make your application stand out from everybody else's. Some of the things that we're going to go over are the differences between procedures versus requirements. As we already talked about, in finding your top college, you're going to want to start to narrow down your college list and start to learn about the requirements of those colleges. That's an important part of the procedure. Now we're going to be talking about specific procedures that you need to pay attention to. Something else we're going to be looking into this week are college essays. Soon you're going to hear from Phil, and he's going to tell you all about the college essay process. And his lesson is going to share specific things that you can do to really hook your audience. And you got to remember that that's what the application is all about. It's about putting a hook in somebody that's going to decide whether you should go to their college or not. Some of the things that you're going to be thinking about, obviously, are your grades. You need to keep your grades up. This is critical. Don't let the excitement of school, the excitement of your extracurriculars, and all the things that you got going on get in the way of keeping your grades up. You should know that you should be taking as aggressive of courses as you possibly can. So I hope that you're taking some difficult courses, and if you're not this year, plan on challenging yourself even more next year to increase your course load and to just keep your grades up. That's going to make you stand out with colleges. We're going to share with you in this section what is the single most important part on the college application. And second to that, the various other things that are almost equally as important, but most people don't pay attention to. So welcome to today's lesson, and I hope that you enjoy everything that you learn about the application process. Make sure that you are getting into the discussions and speaking with other students and advisors about what you're putting on your application.